On the second day of painting, we're going to add our secondary colors. If you forgot, make sure to check out some helpful things around the room to remember your secondary colors and how to create them. Don't be afraid to be a little adventurous and create your own version of the secondary colors. For example, you could make a tint of purple, or you could make kind of a blue-green color if you choose. Those are just a couple of examples of different colors that you could create, but you should have all of the secondary colors. Just like when we practice on the bubbles, we're going to do the same thing and get some small blobs of paint and rinse every time really good in between. There was a lot of color mixing when we were practicing in our egg cartons, and we don't want that because it makes yucky colors for our buddies at our table. So I'm just getting a tiny bit of blue because I want to make a nice bright light green. And this is just one of my secondary colors. So I'm mixing kind of in the middle of my square, and then I'm going to go and paint really carefully and slowly next to my other square and next to my edge. And just repeat this process until you have all of the secondary colors. And like I said, don't be afraid to be a little adventurous and make some new secondary colors. When your project is complete, there should be no white spots left and there should be no brown because we are practicing mixing secondary colors. If at some point you're not sure what's going to happen when you mix colors, remember the tools around the room, and remember you could always try colors out on a placemat so we don't accidentally paint on our project something we don't like.